Hi guys, I'm Paul from VIEZU and I want to just take a moment to talk to you about getting into tuning. There's a lot of different tuning companies out there. The truth is some are really, really good and some are perhaps not quite so good. There's also a lot of tuning tools and a lot of tuning software, and when you're taking your first steps, this can be sometimes a little bit intimidating and it's really, really easy to make a mistake. Click on a website and buy something that may or may not be the right tool, make a phone call to somebody and they'll sell you what they've got, maybe it's not what you need. Personally, we like to slow things down quite a lot. Most importantly, we need to understand what you want from your tuning business before we can even start to talk about tools and software and all of our wonderful recommendations we can give you. Are you looking to tune full-time? Do you want to become a master and a master file writer with your own dealer network? Is this maybe even a part-time hobby business just to start and get going into tuning? So let's understand these things first. Let's understand what you want to tune, and then we can start to talk about all the different tuning tools and software on the market. And most importantly, don't just click and buy. There's all sorts of terms and conditions to some of these tools, so if you can, come and see us. We offer completely free Meet the Team training and demonstration days where you can come along with no pressure to buy anything at all, meet the technical guys here, get hands-on with the tools, get to see the Alientech KES system, get to see the Autotuner, what's different about the Magic system and various other tuning tools. Let's talk about diagnostic tools too and operating software as well. We've got all of this advice to give you with no cheesy sales pitch at all. Come and meet the guys, use the tools and ask all those awkward questions that maybe you're a little bit nervous about asking. That's just fine. We can also talk to you about how we can support you as your business with your marketing support, with your Facebook advertising campaigns, and so much more than just here's a tuning tool, off you go, good luck, I hope your business works out. That's not how we roll, that's not what we do. And if you can't get in to see us, we can do all of this online too. So we can meet you online, we can talk about the different pros and cons of the different tools, understand what you want from these tools and what you want from your business, and then we can help and start giving you some advice to get your tuning business off to the right start. And if you have ambitions to be a master file writer and run your own dealer network, we can help you with training and all advice in that direction too. But let's take this one step at a time. Give us a call, drop us an email, let us talk to you about what we can offer you and most importantly, how we can get your business off to the right start. We look forward to hearing from you.